children. Welcome to our channel. And today we are going to talk about the chapter Maulik Gola. Maulik is the name of the boy, and Gola is the circle that we are seeing here. So, here, if you look at the picture, there is a circle and there is this boy. So, Maulik ने कापी में पेंसिल से एक गोला बनाया. Maulik is the name of the boy. Copy is the notebook. Pencil, you know. Gola is circle. Banaya means made. Ek is one. So Maulik made a circle in this notebook with his pencil. Achanak, suddenly, आवाज sound came. I came. अचानक आवाज आई. Suddenly sound came. Doom धड़ाम. Suddenly there is a sound from the paper. अरे यह कौन है? अरे यह means this. कौन who is. अरे who is this? अरे यह कौन है? गोला उछला. Circle jumped. और दौड़ने लगा. And started running. गोला दौड़कर रसोई में आया. Means the circle दौड़कर ran. रसोई is kitchen in came. So circle ran and came to the kitchen. रसोई में इतनी सारी चीजें. Means the kitchen had इतनी means so. Sari is many. चीजें things. The kitchen had so many things. Bhagona, saucepan, katori, bowl, glass. Lota is another vessel for collecting water. Chakla and belan is what is used for making rotis or chapatis. So there were so many different vessels and utensils which were there in the kitchen. Tabhi, just then, Gauri, Mausi is aunt, aa gayi. Just then, suddenly your Aunt Gauri came. See, this is the lady who was wearing this pink dress. She's the one who came. गोला उछला और चौखट से बाहर कूद गया. गोला is the circle. उछला jump और and circle jumped and चौखट is the threshold. चौखट से बाहर outside. कूद गया means jumped. So the circle jumped and jumped out of the kitchen. Mausi boli, the aunt said, Golu gole means the round circle. Idhar aao. Idhar is here, aao is come here. Gola bola, the circle said, no, I'll not come. Vah दौड़ गया, it ran. दौड़ना means run, right? दौड़ गया, it ran and went. मोनू is the name of another boy. मोनू के कमरे की ओर. कमरा means room. की ओर means towards. So the circle ran towards मोनू's room. मोनू के कमरे में खिलौनों की पिटारी थी. मोनू के कमरा means room. खिलौनों is toys. Pitari is the box. This is the box. Monu ke kamre mein. In Monu's room, there was a box full of toys. Pitari khuli hui thi. Khuli is open. The box was open. Pitari में बहुत से खिलौने थे. The box had बहुत से means many kinds of खिलौने. खिलौने is toys. घोड़ा is horse. Bat and ball. Motor, which means car. एक बौना जोकर. One बौना is dwarf. One dwarf जोकर और हवाई जहाज aeroplane. गोलू खुश हो गया. गोलू became happy. कुछ देर बाद after some time, कुछ some, there is after delay in time. After some delay, बाद is after. कुछ देर बाद आफ्टर सम टाइम उसने फिर दौड़ लगाई. उसने मीन्स ही. फिर इज अगेन. दौड़ इज रैन. सो ही अगेन रैन. उछलते कूदते कमरे से बाहर आ गया. उछलते कूदते both means jump. So while jumping he came out of the room. बाहर is out. He came out of the room. Room is कमरा. बाहर पेड़ पर तोता और कौआ बैठे थे. बाहर पेड़ आउटसाइड ऑन द ट्री. पेड़ पर ऑन द ट्री. तोता इज पैरट. कौआ इज क्रो. बैठे थे. They were sitting. See here you can see on the tree there is a parrot and a crow which is sitting. गोलू उनके पास गया. The circle went to them. उनके them pass is near. It went near them. तभी मौलिक भी आ गया. Just then Maulik B means also came. Just then Maulik also came. So you can see that boy with his book. उसे देख गोलू फिर उछला. Looking at him, गोलू is circle. फिर again उछला means jump. Again jumped. तोता बोला. The parrot said, गोलू राम गोलू मिस्टर गोलू किधर चले. Where are you going? चले is going. गोलू बोला. द गोलू सेड मैं चला मौलिक की कॉपी में. आई एम गोइंग टू मौलिक्स नोटबुक. थैंक यू.